Hi, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to create the infographic using Canva. The first thing you have to do is to browse Canva and you will be directed to this first screen. So click on Education, Teachers and Students, and you will be registered with your Google account in order to remember the user and the password. So this is mine. I will click on Access and I will be directed to the designs icon tools. Explore what you want to create. I'm going to choose poster, and now you are ready to create. There you or here you can find the different layouts. I am going to choose this one that says free or gratis. Click on here and then you can start changing your poster. So click on any word you want to change. I'm going to change rules by gerunds and infinitives, that is our topic. I want to change the size of my letters. Wait. Yes. Here I'm going to change this and the color also. This one, and I want to this one. Okay. You can also change the colors of the document. For example, this one or this one. Yeah. You can also turn it horizontally or vertically, so you can choose, for example, like this, and you can create the infographic in this way. And once you have made all the changes you want and you are satisfied or you are happy with your design, go to download, choose the type of file, GPG, for example, JPG, sorry, and download it. It will be in your mobile phone or in your computer, as it is in my case. So once it is ready, you can also publish it on Facebook or on Twitter or send it by email, but it is not our case. So then here I have my file. So then I go to my drive and I'm going to upload it there. So with your right button of your mouse, I'm going to upload the file in my drive. Like this. No. Wait a minute. Upload file. Gerunds and infinitive, that's the name of my infographic. Here it is. Open it and it is uploading. So wait. And let me see. Okay, so there it is. Yes, can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, here it is. So now go to your presentation, infographics, and choose a slide. Go to insert, choose the image in your drive, and find the infographic. Here it is. No, let me see where I Okay. Where it is. Vamos a recently. This one. Click on the infographic, insert, and there you have the infographic you created. That's all you have to do. So be creative. Don't hesitate to ask me if you have any doubt, and watch the video tutorial as many times as you need it. Okay? See you. Bye bye.